What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another episode where I'm heading to Vegas for the first time. I'm heading to Sin City for an IT security conference where I'll be doing training and lessons for the next 5 days. And I won't be heading there alone. Introducing my friend and boss, Gary.
And priority pre-boarders at this time. We've not called up onboarding at this time.
Just like that, we were on our way.
Up front.
All right, welcome to Vegas. Look at their Sentinel-1 on the board. That has to be a slight, right?
Oh yeah.
For sure.
On purpose.
Stand out from the crowd.
How are you? Good. How are you? Good.
Thank you, sir.
So audio, right?
Yep. Aria, yep.
Okay, and feel free to use the seatbelts. They are free of charge.
Now that we had made it to Aria, it was time to get checked into our hotel room and get checked into the conference itself.
Wear your badge behind.
Now that we're all checked in, Gary and I are going to head back to our rooms, drop our stuff off, and start exploring the Vegas Strip. Our first stop, New York, New York. After exploring for a while, we headed out to dinner across the street and only got lost once or twice.
We're close. Just missed our turn.
After dinner, we decided to explore a little bit more before heading back. Neither Gary or myself had made good decisions on footwear for this adventure, so we decided to head back to give our feet a break. And on our way back to the hotel, we came across this amazing street performer. And just like that, we made our way back to the hotel, and the end of night 1 in Vegas was done.